Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tonight I'll be showing you my PM routine, the skincare routine I do before I go to bed. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Please make sure to hit that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also like this video and drop a comment. Okay, so let's get there. I started by brushing my mouth. Waking up with a fresh breath is very important to me. I don't joke with it, so it helps to protect my teeth. For bathing, I'll be using Dove Original Moisturizing Soap. I use this for my face and body at night. And for my intimate area, I'll be using this Oriflame Intimate Cleansing Cream. So I had my bath. The bathroom was too small. It's too small, so I couldn't do any video in depth. Make my phone no go no go enter water. After bathing, I use this small tissue to pat my face a bit dry. I prefer using this than using normal towels. You get. Then I applied my Dr. Rachel Hyaluronic Acid Essence Toner on a damp skin to keep it plump and hydrated. I allowed it to dry completely on my face, and then I applied a pea-sized amount of my tretinoin cream. I massaged it into my face. See, tretinoin is an amazing skincare ingredient. It helps treat fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots. It helps to reveal a fresher, younger skin cell, resulting in a smoother complexion and improved skin tone. But when you abuse it, it can damage your skin. Trust me on that. I will talk more on this in another video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification, okay, for more interesting and helpful videos. Okay, so I don't use this every day. I just use it twice a week. All right. After massaging the tretinoin into my skin, I also moisturized my face. It is important to moisturize before and after using tretinoin, okay? After that, I also apply Vaseline on my lip to keep it moisturized as well. Everywhere has to be moisturized. After that, I moisturize my skin with this particular lotion called Oil of Ule. I really did not know how my mom got this particular lotion in her shop, but I just love to patronize her. It is not a lotion you can find easily, but you can use any good body lotion, a moisturizing body lotion you can find. Okay, so I like to combine my body lotion with body oil because this period, as at the time I made this video, my skin was so dry. Okay, so this combining my oil with my lotion helped to keep my skin moisturized and glowy as well. So I use the Dysa Argan oil. This particular product has or brand has a lot of oils. It has jojoba oil, aloe vera, a lot of them. Okay, and there are also a lot of nice body oils in the market. Aveeno, what's it called, Vaseline. A lot of body oils are out there that are also affordable, but this Dysa is nice and very affordable. So after I finished moisturizing my skin, I changed into my nightwear. This video is to remind you not to be wearing wrapper to sleep. All my ladies, go and get nice nightwears. Okay, they are very affordable in the market. And then I applied my roll-on and my body spray. Trust me, you want to smell like candy while you sleep. Married and singles, take note. Don't suffocate your men or siblings. Smell nice at all times. Okay, so this is me marching to the kitchen to take my dinner. Normally I'm supposed to eat before brushing and all of that, but on this particular day I was making this video with lots of pressure because we had family, friends, relatives, well wishers, visitors that were around. So I had to cook this spaghetti and serve everyone so I can do my video in peace. Waiting I go do kwanu. So I started by praying. I had to pray before I eat. So I started digging into the spaghetti. This was really delicious. Trust me when I tell you that. I love to eat good food and I also know how to prepare good and delicious meals. Okay, so see as I do, they chop this thing because hunger, the kind of hunger where home no be here. So at this point I was almost done eating. You can see as I was scraping these plates because this food was so good, like it tasted really good. Okay, so I took water and I was about to take my supplements. At this point I didn't know I was deceiving myself. I was thinking this camera was showing people what I was taking, only for me to finish the video and I saw that it wasn't clear. So what I was taking here was my evening primrose oil and my folic acid tablets. Okay, so then it was time for me to make my vitamin C, and this particular one is the one that just dissolves. Just put inside water, to just start foaming and bubbling, it dissolves completely. So it will just be giving you this vibe of you taking orange juice. It is giving orange juice vibes. So that was my cousin, you guys. So it was just there hyping me and whining me. So I decided to like be eating meat and be taking orange juice now. Let me just pretend that this thing is orange juice, you get. So this was me trying to show you the vitamin C tablet stuff again, but the camera wasn't clear. It wasn't showing you guys what I wanted you to see. So maybe later in another video I'm going to introduce you to the product I was taking there. Okay. So I was sipping it. In fact, I just tired, Jerry. I didn't just know what to do in this video again. So have you subscribed yet? Please, if you haven't, kindly hit on that red subscribe button. Support my ministry. Turn on the bell notification beside it. Like this video, drop a comment, and also do not forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so I was done eating here and I had to clear the table. So after that I took my floss and I removed food particles in my teeth because I've brushed already, so I didn't want to brush again. So I had to remove the food particles, and I think I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.